In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a nice invoice template that will suit your company's profile. In order to create a template, you'll have to go to Settings, Printing Setup, and click Edit on the right-hand side of the Invoice Profile section. Add a friendly name for your template here, one that will help you set it apart from other templates you might create in the future. You can create a different invoice template for each and every platform that you have, or just create the same template for all your platforms. If you'll use the same invoice template for all of your platforms, then choose All Platforms here. If not, choose Select Platforms. Selecting your platforms manually will allow you to have different templates to choose from next time you go to the Printing Setup page. Next, click Launch Builder. Initially, the builder will load a default setup where you will be able to add, move, edit, or delete fields. From the Save Templates drop-down at the top of the page, you will be able to choose from predefined templates with simple or integrated labels on the top or bottom of the invoice. Clicking Load will apply the desired template, and if you want to start over, just click Reset. Zooming in and out will allow you to choose the best view to work with. On the top right-hand side, you will be able to preview, save, or exit the invoice builder. Clicking on any of the builder's blocks will display a couple of options on the top of the block. The options include an edit icon marked with a pencil that will allow you to edit the text in the block, followed by a link icon which will allow you to link the box to a certain position. When this icon is active, for example it's colored in blue, it means that the block will move along with the rest of the blocks in order to avoid getting overridden by other elements. Last here is the red X icon which will remove the block. Besides these options, you'll also be able to edit the font family, the size, and the style of your text. Now moving on to the sidebar on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see some additional options that you'll be able to use within your invoice template. First is Profile, where you can choose your invoice's orientation based on the paper size. Primary Fields will allow you to choose the fields you wish to have in the Order Details grid. Also, if you'd like to have a notes and a thank you field on your invoice, you can enable them here. In the All Available Fields drop-down, you can find a bunch of additional fields that can be added to your invoice. For those who use PPI stamps, you can choose the correct size of your label in the Royal Mail PPI label drop-down. From the Configuration drop-down, you can enable or disable extra options, and from the Images section, you will be able to add images in order to improve your invoice. Thank you for watching. If you require further assistance, please visit our support section on www.justshipit.co.uk.